Hello, today I'm at the University of Guelph Arboretum and I'm here to provide you with the Guelph and Tri-City housing market stats for the month of June 2023. With the spring market passing by, market prices have dipped in most of our local markets. The following are some of the key metrics relative to May of this year. In Guelph, the median sales price was $819,000, which is down by 2.3%. The average sale price per square foot was $538, which is up by 3%. The total number of listings was 306, which is up by 8.5%, and the total number of sales was 188, down by 7.4%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $760,000, which is down by 2.9%. In Waterloo, it was $775,000, which is down by 1.8%. And Cambridge was the only city that saw an increase, which was 2.6%. Since the start of the year, we've seen housing prices steadily rise. Not the kind of spikes that we encountered during the pandemic, but a more stable rise that was largely due to continuous shortage of listing inventory and steady demand. However, with new listings on the rise and slightly lower demand, it makes sense that 3 out of the 4 nearby cities incurred decreases in home prices last month. If we look at year-over-year prices, all 4 of our local markets have seen median sale price increases. Guelph is up by 3.1%, while Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge are up by 4.1%, 6%, and 7.5% respectively. These type of year-over-year price increases are what we commonly perceive as normal, reasonable growth in a healthy market. The next couple of months will be very interesting, with the Bank of Canada increasing its rates again. Coupled with a seasonal slow time, I certainly see lower prices being the trend over the next couple of months. If you're in the market to buy, the next couple of months may provide you with a good opportunity to purchase without too much competition. It will still be important for you to be ready and have your ducks in a row, as we're still experiencing a seller's market. Homes are still selling within 2 weeks on average, and the good ones are going even quicker than that. If you're considering a move, please feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to help you navigate the current market and find the right home for you. Thanks a lot for joining me today, and have a great day.